Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Drill 360. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics of Static GK, that is classical dances of India. This topic is extremely important for almost all of the competitive exams, so I request you to stay with me till the end. India is known across the world for its rich and diverse cultural heritage, and classical dance is one of its finest artistic expressions. These dance forms are not just performances, they represent our history, spirituality, and regional traditions passed down through generations. Before we move to the individual dance forms, let me briefly clarify how classical dances are officially recognized in India. According to the Sangeet Natak Academy, there are 8 recognized classical dance forms. However, the Ministry of Culture of Government of India recognizes 9 classical dances, which includes Chhau along with the other 8. Indian classical dance is deeply rooted in an ancient text called the Natya Shastra, written by Bharatanatyam. It is often referred to as the 5th Veda because it combines music, dance, drama, and spiritual elements. The Natya Shastra provides the basic rules for movement, expression, rhythm, and performance in classical dance. According to the Natya Shastra, classical dance has 3 main components: Nritta, Nritya, and Natya. Nritta refers to pure dance where the focus is only on rhythm and technique without any expression. Nritya is the expressive form where gestures and facial expressions are used to convey emotions and stories. And Natya involves dramatic representation and is mainly seen in dance dramas. Let me begin with Bharatanatyam, one of the oldest and most structured classical dance forms of India. It originated in Tamil Nadu and has a history of more than 2000 years. Bharatanatyam is known for its strong emphasis on abhinaya or expressions, along with precise hand gestures, body gestures, and rhythmic footwork. Through these elements, dancers narrate stories from Hindu mythology, especially those related to Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, and Goddess Parvati. Traditionally, Bharatanatyam was performed in temples as an act of devotion, and even today it retains a strong spiritual essence. Next, we move to Kathak, a prominent classical dance form from North India, mainly Uttar Pradesh. The term Kathak comes from the word Katha, meaning story, and the dance evolved from ancient storytelling traditions. Kathak reflects a unique blend of Hindu and Mughal influences, especially during the medieval period. It is widely known for its fast footwork, rhythmic patterns, ankle bells, and graceful spins called chakkars. Unlike many other classical dances, Kathak places great emphasis on rhythm and musical interaction, often performed with live musicians. From Kerala, we have Kathakali, which is a highly dramatic and visually striking dance drama form. Kathakali is easily recognized because of its elaborate costumes, colorful makeup, and bold facial expressions. This dance form mainly depicts stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, presenting the eternal struggle between good and evil. The movements and expressions in Kathakali are exaggerated so that emotions are clearly conveyed even from a distance. Training in Kathakali is extremely rigorous and requires years of discipline, especially for facial expressions and body control. Now let us look at Kuchipudi, who is originated in Andhra Pradesh and is known for its dramatic and expressive style. Traditionally, Kuchipudi performances included spoken dialogues along with dance, making them theatrical in nature. The dance strongly focuses on storytelling and devotion, with themes mainly centered around Lord Krishna. The movements are lively, energetic, and expressive, allowing smooth transitions between pure dance and dramatic narration. Kuchipudi beautifully blends technical precision with emotional expression. Next is Odissi, who is originated in Odisha and is considered one of the most graceful classical dance forms. Its movements are inspired by the sculptures found in ancient temples, which is why Odissi dancers often appear like living sculptures on stage. Odissi is deeply devotional in nature and often portrays themes related to Lord Krishna and Radha. The dance is known for its fluid movements, lyrical quality, and balanced postures, creating a sense of elegance and devotion. Despite its ancient roots, Odissi has adapted well to the modern stage. From the northeastern region, we have Manipuri dance, which is originated in Manipur. This dance form is deeply connected with rituals, festivals, and devotional practices. Manipuri performances are often based on the Ras Leela of Lord Krishna, symbolizing divine love and harmony. The movements are soft, smooth, and circular, giving the dance a calm and meditative quality. The distinctive costumes, especially the cylindrical skirt worn by female dancers, enhance its graceful appearance. Another classical dance form from Kerala is Mohiniyattam, which represents feminine grace and elegance. It is inspired by Mohini, the female avatar of Lord Vishnu. Mohiniyattam is characterized by gentle movements, subtle expressions, and flowing rhythms. Unlike energetic dance forms, it has a slow and lyrical style, often exploring themes of love and devotion. The traditional white and gold costume reflects simplicity and purity, complementing the soft nature of the dance. Lastly, we have Sattriya, a classical dance form from Assam. It was developed in the 15th century by the saint scholar Srimanta Sankardeva within Vaishnavite monasteries known as Satra. Sattriya is deeply rooted in Bhakti philosophy and draws themes mainly from the Bhagavad Purana, focusing on Lord Krishna and Lord Vishnu. Originally, it was performed by male monks as part of religious rituals, but later it evolved into a classical stage art. Its costumes, music, and movements clearly reflect the cultural identity of Assam. To conclude, India's classical dance forms beautifully reflect the country's diverse cultural, spiritual, and regional heritage. Each dance form has its own identity, yet all share a common purpose: storytelling through movement and expression. These dances are not just art forms but living traditions that convey emotions, values, and philosophies central to Indian culture. Even today, they continue to evolve and inspire new generations, ensuring that India's rich artistic legacy remains alive and relevant. So, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Exam Drill 360 for more such sessions covering all your GS subjects, current affairs, and much more. Let's continue this journey of smart preparation together. Thank you once again for your support. See you in the next video.